Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 26 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week here at Simons Middle School, lots of things happening in our classrooms, and we do have several things that are upcoming this week here at Simons Middle School. On Monday, we have an admin team meeting at 2. Also on Monday, students, you will be reporting to second period during the 5th period time slot. We're going to use this time to do our work on our BPIs. We've been calling this time BPI Focus. On Tuesday, we will have a brief leadership team meeting right after school. We also on Tuesday have the PSAT for grade 8. This is in conjunction with a grant that we have through Advanced Kentucky. Any student in grade 8 who meets the benchmark in math or who demonstrates significant growth will receive a $50 bonus check from Advanced Kentucky. Also on Tuesday, the ACT is being given at Fleming County High School, and we will have an after-school art class until 5. It is the Easter craft with Mrs. Wagner and Mrs. High. Also on this day, we have a poetry slam meeting after school in Mrs. Bowles' room. Wednesday is our spring picture day. These pictures are prepay. So students, if you wish to get pictures, or parents, please make sure that you prepay for those. We do have the after-school mosaic class until 5 on that day, and that is with Glass with SAS with Pam McGlone. Students, if you are interested in signing up for either one of the craft events, please make sure that you see Mrs. High as soon as possible this week, as those spots are filling up fast. On Thursday, we have a Transformation Innovation Team meeting, and on Friday, as always, it is Bring It Friday. Also, parents and students, don't forget about the Ask the Principal link. That is the QR code that you can find in the connection. If you've got questions, please make sure that you use that link to either ask a question, shout out to a teacher, or maybe just give some feedback to Simons Middle School. This week, we would like to congratulate Carson Parker. He is our student spotlight. He is a 7th grader and a Red Jaguar team member. He is a highly motivated student. As a 7th grade student, he has moved on to the 8th grade Alex program in math. And this is a pretty good, large accomplishment. We don't have tons of students who make it to the 8th grade as 7th graders, but he has done really well. His teachers really describe him as highly motivated, a nice student. Miss Ellison really had many good things to say about him. She said he was probably the hardest working student that she had ever had in class. So he's moved about halfway through the 8th grade algebra content at this time, and he uses the online platform to better himself. During the course of his 7th grade year, he's completed over 1,000 topics, growing an astounding 25 to 30% each month. Mrs. Ellison says that Carson is a natural leader, jumping in to help his peers who might need help in math. While Carson has played many sports, including basketball and baseball in the past, he has chosen to solely concentrate on football this school year. Carson plays tackle on both offense and defense for the SMS Cougars and is currently hitting the weight room in the off-season. He is the gentle giant, standing over 5 feet 10 inches. He is a kind-hearted, fun-loving, and hard-working student, and he gives everything that he does 110%. So congratulations, Carson. We are so proud of you. Thank you for always bringing it. You are always a great representative of our school, and I cannot wait to see the amazing things that you do, not only here at Fleming County High School or at Simons Middle School, but also as a Panther at Fleming County High School. We do want to take a moment and recognize our Achieve 3000 Leaderboard students for this week. On Monday, Abigail Smithers. Tuesday, Robert Carpenter. Wednesday, Brooklyn Beckett. Thursday, Hanley High. Friday, Megan Edmond. The 2 students with the most activities with a score of 75% or above on the first try was Hanley High with 8 and Addison Smith with 6. And our weekly top scorer this week was Brooklyn Beckett. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.